Let's now walk through the Structure Intelligent Guided Test. This test checks your page semantic structure, things like headings, lists, language settings, and page titles. I'll start by clicking to begin the run, and then click Start. Axe DevTools immediately highlights the headings it found on the page and asks, do you see any that should not be headings? I'll scroll through the list. Buy travel packages for your favorite destinations today. That's a real heading. Set out on your new adventure. Also a heading. But the headings applied to the 4 info cards look like they're just being used for visual styling. They don't actually describe sections of content, so those are misused. The final headings, popular journeys, also looks good. So we've got 3 correct headings and 4 that should not be marked up that way. I'll leave yes, some of them should not be headings, selected, and then click Next. Axe DevTools now asks me to choose which of the detected headings were incorrect. I'll select the 4 for the info cards and continue. Then it asks, are there any headings we missed? Since the incorrect ones are now removed from the outline and I don't see anything missing, I'll select Nope, nothing is missing, and then hit Next. Now, the extension checks whether the remaining headings are actually descriptive. The first heading, Buy travel packages for your favorite destinations today, is accurate, but it's a bit too long. Headings ideally should be concise so that screen reader users could quickly understand the page layout. The second one, Set out on your new adventure, is fine, and popular journeys also make sense. I'll leave all of these marked as a yes and move on. A quick reminder, these headings only reflect what's visible in the current state of the page. If we open a modal and rerun this test, additional headings may appear. Next up, lists. Axe DevTools found 4 lists and asks if any of them shouldn't be. I see the top navigation buttons, a 3-part text section in the middle, and 2 link groups in the footer. All valid use cases of a list element. I would recommend marking the popular journey links as a list too. It isn't a violation, but it's best practice. For now, I'll leave everything looks good, selected, and continue. Axe DevTools then asks if it missed any lists, and I'll say no and then continue. Now we're asked if any part of the page uses a different language than the default. I didn't notice anything during manual testing, so I'll select no. Then Axe DevTools checks the page title, Travel by Train, and Bus Made Easy, Dream Destination. That's accurate and descriptive, so I'll confirm yes and then continue. Axe DevTools now captures screenshots of any issues. The only ones flagged are the 4 info card headings we previously identified as incorrect. Once I've reviewed those, I'll click Finish, and that completes the Structure IGT.